Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have made this cute little dress. I've got her hair caught in the stand, and I thought we'd call this One Dress, Three Dolls, and see how it fits different dolls. What I use for this pattern is I am not going to give a link for this, but here it is. Skipper's dress, all spruced up. It's a very good pattern. It's really good for Blythe. I've used this and used this and used this. I like that it has the sleeve and the collar. It's got a nice collar. I wanted to show, I lengthened the sleeves. You know what? I did not lengthen the sleeves on this one, but I did make this dress using this pattern, cut at the waist with a gathered skirt, and I lengthened the sleeves for my little big eyes. So we're going to see how it fits without, and let's look at it first on my ShibaJuku. And I actually made this to fit my ShibaJuku. I added a little length to the hem. I think I added about 1/4 inch, so that this is the actual size of the pattern, but with the hem, you add a seam allowance. So let's try it on one of these other girls. This is my Takara Blythe doll. It is a registered trademark doll. As you can see, the sleeves are just a bit too long for this doll. I've made this for my Blythes many times, different dresses using this pattern, and it worked out well. But they have a little smaller body and without the articulation, whereas you want it a little longer so that when you're bending the elbows, it has a little room. You can see it's longer. Like I said, I went a little longer for my ShibaJuku, but this is how it looks on my Takara Blythe. Whoop, what'd we do to your hair, sweet pea? To me, this is the best fit. Even though I added the length for the ShibaJuku, I think it worked out perfect for the little Big Eyes doll. I really do like the way everything lays. Even the collar lays better on her. The arm length really worked out cute. Thinking I'm going to leave that dress on her, and she already had the yellow shoes and headband from a previous video I just did, and that was the ShibaJuku collab I did with Dory's Dollies and Irene Huff's Doll Space, and you can go look at those. It's just a couple days ago. But I think this is the best fit. Yes, I highly recommend this free pattern. You'll have to look it up yourself. I don't get a nickel for it. But I think that is a really cute fit on my little Big Eyes doll. Thank you for watching. This was a fun video. I think I'm going to choose another type of doll and do this again. Call it One Dress, Three Dolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
She is my favorite out of those three. That really did fit nice.
Yeah, it's cute on her too, I think.